Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you.
Nature of man's future depends on the future of Mother Nature. It endows with everything we need. But what have we given to her in return? Nothing but indiscriminately slaughtering them for our greed, sacrificing their lives for building tall skyscrapers for our luxury, or industries adding to the pollution.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। वो बड़ा दुखता है, वो दुखता है। ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है।
Our school, DAV Model School IIT Kharagpur, is an institution of greenery blooming amidst the lap of nature. Our school has imbibed within us the need to respect and care nature. The students have enthusiastically participated in the celebration of by planting trees and taking up several other activities to show their gratitude towards Mother Nature and her creatures. Human life revolves around these seemingly inanimate blessings of the nature. The COVID-19 pandemic has locked us up inside our homes, but apparently it has been a boon for the nature. We are the children of Mother Nature, the future of the world, so it's our duty alone to protect her and not deplete her resources. So hey, let's sing a song, let's come along, let's sow some seeds, and let's do some good deeds. I'd like to conclude my speech by quoting a few lines of Satyajit Ray's popular song. আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে, আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে, শাখে শাখে পাখি ডাকে, কত শোভা চারিপাশে, আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে। Thank you.